This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhoneAppReview.com. Today we are slinging out yet another video review, this time taking a look at an application called SecureSafe that I have on my springboard ready to go. This application is available for free in the App Store, which means that you get all of its features without any additional overhead costs, which is something that we're always looking for in an app. We're just going to go ahead and boot this up and kind of show you how it works. I'm going to tap in my login details really quickly off screen so that you don't have the opportunity to do the same, even though I don't have anything crucial saved in the app at the moment. Log in. You'll go through the process of contacting the server, going through the two-factor authorizations if you have that set up, and then you're at the dashboard. It is that quick and that easy to sign up. The accounts, of course, are free with SecureSafe, though you do have to actually sign up for an account. There's no Facebook integration or anything of the sort. So what does the app do? Essentially, the application is based around the idea that it allows you to sort, manage, and secure your vital internet information. For instance, I have passwords. This is the password screen, obviously with the password safe. And I've just set up some quick tests. They've also got an example here in terms of password. You have Joe User, your password, which you can very simply copy by hitting the copy button, as well as the URL, which will open in your native browser by hitting open. You can also leave comments with each password if you would like, so you can simply leave a note. I don't know what you might leave, but you can if you want to. Same thing for our little test thing here. We just sort of set up a very quick password and then attached a URL to it. If you'd like to edit these, you can, of course, go to the edit field, and then you have access to all of the fill-in forms pretty much immediately. If you'd like to change the password, this app does come with a random generator, which is really quite nice. You can turn off memorizable password, you can change the other settings involved, whatever. You simply hit generate and it gives you a new one, which is really quite nice. We like that a lot, as we're sort of bad at coming up with good passwords, so we use these random generators quite a bit. Adding new material is very simple too. Simply hit the plus sign and then fill in all of the forms as we were looking at earlier. So it's that quick and that easy to actually set this up. In terms of the file safe, this is another feature that we like quite a bit. You can go in and then through iTunes file sharing or the online service, which we'll talk more about in just a second, you can go in and then add specific documents. So for instance, I have within my business documents just a quick font called Gabo, and then under my pictures I've got another picture. Just stuff that I very quickly threw up into the application using the online web service. Basically, you can go to the SecureSafe website, log in with your details, and then you have free reign to actually add any of your new passwords, any new documents, anything that you would like secured and saved via the web browser that you typically frequent, which is extremely simple and very easy to use. Best of all, everything is synced between both the application and the desktop experience. That means that if you change something in either the Mac side, the Windows side, the web browser, or here, everything is synced to your account and everything is backed up. I think you can save some ridiculous number of passwords and up to like 10 megabytes of documents. So a lot of storage to use and a lot of good functionality out of that. In terms of settings, you've got account info, which you can mess with if you would like. You've also got change account password and display recovery code. If you would like, this is your recovery code for all of your information, so you can copy that too. Very simple stuff. If you'd like to know more about the application, you can go into the info, and there's more than enough data to get you through. This application does come with very fierce encryption. It's got a two-step verification process that you can enable if you'd like, and it's also got a military-grade encryptor attached too. So what do we think of it at the end of the day? Well, we think it's a gorgeous application. It's very well designed on both the iOS experience and on the final desktop edition. Furthermore, it's a free application in the App Store, which means it's an absolute bargain. It's extremely simple to use, and the syncing is just a brilliant feature to begin with, which means that you're going to get a lot of functionality out of SecureSafe. Excuse me. So with that in mind, we are going to give it a 4.5 out of 5-star rating, as well as our hefty recommendation. We think it's a brilliant way to secure your online life and to keep it sorted, as well as to kind of lock down some of your basic documents if you would like to do that too. So again, it's a 4.5 out of 5-star rating for SecureSafe, and that's all we have to say about it. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and sign out, but we will see you guys later. Bye.